Have you ever had that voice in your head tell you, you're not good enough? It's that nagging feeling that creeps in when you're about to try something new or challenging. It can be relentless, making you question your abilities and worth. Or maybe it whispers, you'll never be able to do that. These words can echo in our minds, creating a barrier that seems impossible to overcome. They can make us feel small, insignificant, and incapable of achieving our goals. We all have an inner voice. It's a part of being human. This voice can sometimes be our harshest critic, pointing out our flaws and magnifying our mistakes. But it's important to remember that this voice doesn't define us. This is the voice of negative self-talk. It's that inner critic that tells us we're not good enough, smart enough, or capable enough. It can be a constant companion, always ready to undermine our confidence and self-esteem. It can hold us back from achieving our dreams. When we listen to this voice, we might avoid taking risks or pursuing opportunities. We might settle for less than we deserve because we believe we're not worthy of more. Negative self-talk is a pattern of critical thoughts about ourselves. It's a habit that can be hard to break, but it's not impossible. By becoming aware of these thoughts, we can start to challenge and change them. It's that constant stream of self-doubt and negativity. It can affect every aspect of our lives, from our relationships to our careers, but we don't have to let it control us. But we can learn to control this voice. We can practice self-compassion and remind ourselves of our strengths and achievements. We can replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. We can choose to focus on positive and encouraging thoughts. By doing so, we can build a more supportive and empowering inner dialogue. Remember, the voice inside doesn't have to be our enemy. It can become our greatest ally. Negative self-talk is like a weed in the garden of our minds. It's important to define what negative self-talk is. This helps us identify it. Then we can start to remove it. Negative self-talk can take many forms. It can be filtering, where you focus only on the negative aspects of a situation. Personalizing, when you blame yourself for everything, even when it's not your fault. And catastrophizing, where you always expect the worst to happen. Recognizing these forms is the first step to overcoming them. Negative self-talk can have a devastating impact on our lives. It affects our mental health. It can lead to anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Physically, it can manifest as stress, fatigue, and even illness. Our relationships suffer when we don't feel worthy of love and connection. We might sabotage opportunities for success. This happens because we don't believe in ourselves. Negative self-talk is self-sabotage. It prevents us from living our best lives. The first step to overcoming negative self-talk is recognizing it. Pay attention to your thoughts. When you notice negative self-talk, write it down. Journaling helps identify patterns in your thinking. Are there specific situations that trigger negativity? Understanding these triggers is crucial. It helps you prepare for them. Once you are aware of your negative thoughts, you can start to challenge them. Silencing the negative narratives. Don't just accept your negative thoughts as truth. Question them. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? What evidence do I have to support this thought? What would I say to a friend who had this thought? Often you'll find that your negative thoughts are based on irrational fears or assumptions. Replace these thoughts with more realistic and positive ones. You have the power to change the way you think. The power of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful tools to combat negative self-talk. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself daily. They help to reprogram your subconscious mind. Choose affirmations that resonate with you. For example, you could try, I am worthy of love and happiness. I am capable of achieving my goals. I am strong and resilient. Write down your affirmations and place them where you'll see them every day, like on your bathroom mirror or in your car. Cultivating self-compassion. The key to inner peace. Self-compassion is essential for silencing the inner critic. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer a loved one. When you make a mistake, don't beat yourself up. Everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them and move on. Remember that you are worthy of love and forgiveness, especially from yourself. Self-compassion is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Mindfulness, a tool for quieting the mind. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It involves being fully present and engaged with whatever we are doing at the moment. It's a powerful tool for quieting the constant chatter of the mind, including negative self-talk. By focusing on the present, we can reduce the impact of stress and anxiety. Engage in mindfulness practices like meditation or deep breathing. These activities can help center your mind and bring a sense of calm and clarity. These practices help you become more aware of your thoughts. Awareness is the first step in managing and understanding your mental landscape. You can observe your negative thoughts without getting swept away by them. This detachment allows you to see your thoughts as just thoughts, not as truths. Mindfulness helps you create a space between your thoughts and your reactions. This space is crucial for making thoughtful and deliberate choices. This makes it easier to choose positive responses. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can cultivate a more positive and resilient mindset. Incorporating mindfulness into your daily routine can be as simple as taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breath or to reflect on things you are grateful for. Even activities like walking or eating can be done mindfully. Pay attention to the sensations, smells, and sounds around you. By doing so, you bring a sense of peace and presence to everyday activities, making them more enjoyable and less stressful. Mindfulness can also be practiced in a group setting, which can provide additional support and encouragement. Sharing your mindfulness journey with others can deepen your practice and help you stay committed. Over time, mindfulness can transform your relationship with your thoughts and emotions, leading to a more balanced and fulfilling life. Seeking support. You don't have to do this alone. Overcoming negative self-talk can be challenging. Remember that you don't have to do it alone. Talk to a trusted friend, family member, therapist, or support group. A therapist can provide you with tools and strategies to manage negative self-talk. They can also help you address any underlying issues that might be contributing to your negative thoughts. Seeking support is a sign of strength, not weakness. Embracing imperfection, the beauty of being human. Remember that no one is perfect. We all have flaws and make mistakes. It's what makes us human. Embrace your imperfections and focus on your strengths. Instead of striving for perfection, aim for progress. Celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Every step you take towards silencing your inner critic is a victory. Remember, you are enough, just the way you are. Conclusion. A journey to self-love and acceptance. This chapter is about embracing who you are and finding peace within yourself. It's about understanding that self-love is not a destination, but a continuous journey that requires patience and dedication. Breaking free from negative self-talk is a journey, not a destination. It involves recognizing the harmful patterns in our thoughts and actively working to replace them with positive affirmations. Imagine walking on a trail, each step representing a small victory over self-doubt. There will be ups and downs along the way. Just like a roller coaster ride, life is full of unexpected twists and turns. Some days you might feel on top of the world, while other days you might struggle to find your footing. Climbing a mountain trail symbolizes the effort and perseverance needed to overcome these challenges. But with consistent effort and self-compassion, you can learn to control your inner voice and live a more fulfilling life. Practicing yoga, journaling your thoughts, and meditating at home are powerful tools to help you stay grounded and focused on your journey. Remember to be kind to yourself, challenge your negative thoughts, and focus on the positive. Look in the mirror and smile, write down affirmations that uplift you, and share your journey with friends who support and encourage you. Embrace your imperfections and celebrate your progress. Every small step forward is a reason to celebrate. Whether it's painting, baking, or simply laughing with friends, find joy in the little moments and acknowledge your growth. You are worthy of love, happiness, and success. Start today. Hug yourself, smile at your reflection, and set achievable goals that bring you closer to your dreams. Each goal achieved is a testament to your strength and resilience. You have the power to change your thoughts and change your life. Take a moment to reflect deeply, look forward with hope, and practice mindfulness to stay present. Your journey to self-love and acceptance is unique and beautiful. Embrace it fully and watch as your life transforms in ways you never imagined possible.